77, the cars were just lumps on the snow. And then later, tripping at 7-Eleven, the shelves were stretching out of control. On a plane ride, the more it shakes, the more I have to let go. Now the signals still getting all mixed up, but I was doing damage control. In the middle of the night, I worry, it's blurry even without light. In the middle of the night, I worry, it's blurry even without light. I know I have got a negative edge, that's why I sharpen all the others a lot. It's like flowers, ladybugs, pretty weeds, or red beetles with dots. In the middle of the night, I worry, it's blurry even without light. In the middle of the night, I worry,